Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make a really beautiful 3D pop-up card. Doesn't this look amazing? All you're going to need is A4 coloured card, A6 coloured card, some glue and some scissors. That's it! So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to take our A6 card and fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. Remember, you can use whatever different colours you want. We're now going to fold the edge down to make a triangle, like so. Then fold the edge back on itself. So we've got another long triangle. Do this on both sides. We're now going to take our scissors and curve off the edges, like this. Get rid of the excess paper. When you open it, it's the base of the flower. Now we want to do this all again with a different coloured piece of paper. I've chosen to make the centre of my flower yellow. What colour have you used? Why don't you let us know in the comment box below? We're now going to cut off the edge like we did last time, but we're going to make it smaller. This means when we open it up, we'll get a smaller circle. And if you look, it'll sit perfectly inside the bigger circle. See? So now we want to glue it on. Now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut a triangle out from our flower. It looks kind of like a pizza slice. Now we're going to put some glue on one side and fold it over so that the flower starts to take shape in 3D form. Now we're going to repeat this with our other bits of A6 card. We're going to make loads of different flowers. We can make them in different colours as well. I'm making a blue flower, and it's having a yellow centre. Remember, it's exactly the same process. Stick the yellow in the middle. And now cut out the pizza shape. Now we're going to start assembling our flowers together. We want to glue them on top of each other, like this. It's going to go pink, blue, blue, pink, pink, pink. And then when you open it up, it's all connected. Now it's time to put it on our main bit of card. We're going to take our A4 card and fold it in half. We're then going to glue our flower onto the inside at the fold point. Fold it over and glue the other side as well. That means when you open it up, the flowers will pop up. A 3D pop-up card. Amazing! Today I am going to show you how to do DIY spring painted pots. Aren't these cute? So you're going to need pink chalkboard paint, mixed coloured nail varnish, yellow paint, a chalk marker, white spray paint, a paintbrush, and some flower pots. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to take our flower pots and our spray paint outside. Now we're going to spray our pots white. You can use any different colour you like. I think white is a good base coat though, because the colours are so much more vivid on top of white. I'm painting the inside too. So once they've dried, we can start decorating. Now I'm going to decorate 3 different pots. The first one I'm going to cover in chalkboard paint. I've chosen pink because it matches my room, though you could use any different colour you like. Set that aside and let it dry. Now I've decided to paint yellow spots on my second one. Again, you can use any different colour that you like. I think yellow is very spring. So pretty! I'm painting the rim yellow as well. Now it's time to set this aside and let it dry. Finally, I'm going to decorate the last pot. I've got a tub full of water. I'm now going to pour some nail varnish into it. I'm using loads of different colours. We're going to create a marble effect at the bottom of the pot. So now I'm going to take the pot, dip it into the water and spin it around. And there you have it. It gets this awesome marble effect. Doesn't it look cool? Now we just need to let it dry. And once that's done, you've got this amazing effect at the bottom of your pot. Now I'm going to decorate my chalkboard pot. I'm using a chalk marker, though you could use a good old-fashioned piece of chalk if you like. Now I'm going to draw. First I'm drawing a flower. Doesn't it look pretty? Next I'm going to draw a heart. Now I'm going to draw another flower, but I'm going to make it slightly different with longer petals. And here's a bigger heart with an arrow through it. Remember, you can draw whatever you want. Why don't you let us know what you've drawn in the comment box below? And there you have it. Don't they look great? What a wonderful way to celebrate spring! Today I'm going to show you how to make some lovely DIY spring chalkboard plate frames. Doesn't that look pretty? All you're going to need for this is some pink chalkboard paint, a paintbrush, some pom-poms, some glue, and a ceramic plate. You're also going to need some string, some yellow paint, a paintbrush, some cardboard, scissors, a pen, and some black chalkboard paint. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to paint the centre of our plate with the pink chalkboard paint. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Set that aside to dry. We're now going to take our big bit of cardboard and we're going to draw a giant sunflower using our marker pen. I'm also drawing 2 small hearts. We're then going to cut them out. Make sure you're careful with the scissors. Nearly there. Now we're going to paint the petals of the sunflower yellow. Of course. I'm painting the center too, though that doesn't matter because we're soon going to cover it. I'm painting the heart as well. Now I'm painting my second heart black, using the black chalkboard paint. And now I'm painting the center of my sunflower. It looks pretty, doesn't it? Now the pink chalkboard paint is dry, so it's time to decorate the outside of the plate. I'm using pom-poms, and since I've already got spots on my plate, it looks awesome. Now you can write in the center using chalk. Isn't that awesome? Great, huh? You could write whatever you want. Now I'm going back to my sunflower. I'm going to thread some string through the bottom of it. This way I can attach my hearts. This is going to look super cute. Cut off any excess string. And now you can write a message in the center of your sunflower. And on your baby heart. And there you have it. We're done. Don't they look great? DIY spring chalkboard plate frames. Perfect for writing secret messages to your friends. Thanks so much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!